Welcome to third part of the tutorial in which we are designing the animated advertising banner or billboard in Photoshop. We will continue from the last step we were working on. So we are working in the second part on bevel and emboss layer style, and we are going with contour layer style. So over here you can select any contour style you think that it look great with your advertising billboard. You can later on also change the layer style if you don't like this. So just make anyone you currently think that it look good, or you feel that that's a perfect thing you're looking for. So just select these things, or you can change the things later on. If you're not satisfied with the things, just change them later on. That's the best thing of the layered structure of Photoshop. We can select the simple billboard style on the contour layer. Just adjust the size. Again, I'm telling you can make any selection you want and just play with the size, soften, shading, structure, styles, techniques, depth, direction, etc. so that you can have the best of what you want and the best that you can get using these simple tools. It's not some rocket science. You are just playing with tools. You're just dragging something up, something down. You're just increasing, reducing opacity, increasing, reducing shadow, highlights, etc. So that's not some huge science. You're just dragging the tools here and there, and you can see the exact change in the canvas. Also, I will select the inner chain to some darker color and click OK. So the layer styles are applied to our billboard layer. Now we will duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J, or just right click on that and select and duplicate layer. And there's we will rename this as back layer. Now just press Ctrl T to get free transformation of the back layer. Or before that, we will just move the back layer toward behind the rear layer. Or before that, we'll just reduce this, drag the layer down the other layer. Again, get Control T to get free transformation. Adjust the size over here. So here it is. Now we will change the layer style of this billboard as it is the back billboard layer. So we will give this layer some darker shade. So just double click on the layer to get the layer styles, and we will just check on gradient overlay, and over here we will just make one color white and the other color light gray, not that much dark. So here it is, just click OK. Again OK. Again OK to layer styles, and where we are now, we will move the layer style pillars between the two layers so that it can look like this. So here we are. Now next step is come for the lightning system or the lightning bulbs at the top. Over here we can use some lightning or some light source. Over here I will use this lamp to be placed as a light source. So using magic pen tool, I will select this, right click on that and click on select inverse to only select the selected object. Control C to copy that. I will close this, back to original layer, and Control V to paste it over here. Just press Control T to get free transformation, reduce the size. hit into to apply transformation. Using rectangular marquee tool, I will delete the bottom area of the lamp. Again, press Ctrl T to get free transformation. Reduce the size a bit. Now I will rotate this over here like this, and now I will put this toward my billboard top as a light source. I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate this and just drag this over here again. Again, Ctrl J to duplicate this. We will use 4 light bulbs or 4 light sources over here. Again, Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. So here we are. Now I will zoom in a bit. Just zoom out. Again, I will zoom in to get the best look. I will adjust the lamp or the light bulbs over here. So here it is. We'll adjust it over here like this. So again, using blur tool, I will just make the image blur from where the light sources are attached to the billboard, so that it can look like that these 4 bulbs or 4 light sources are the part of the billboard and attached toward the top of the billboard. And just click once over there. So here it is. Now next step is come on which we will write the text on our billboard. So the first text will be the findtutor.com. Findtutor is a website about Adobe Photoshop tutorials, about Adobe Flash tutorials, online free video tutorials of After Effects, 3D Maya, also coming soon, Cinema 4D or on wares. So here we will just write findtutor.com. First of all, I just write FindTutor. I will change the color to dark blue and click OK to apply. Now I will write FindTutor over here. I will change the text font. I will select all by pressing Ctrl A, and I will make some selection of font from my font drop down box. I'm going to pick some bold font over here like this. So here it is. I will increase the size. We will continue in the fourth part of the tutorial.